Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to Creepy Crafty Days, where I'm sharing 31 days of videos all month long. Today's video is sponsored by Kindred stamps. They provided me this stamp set to use in today's video, and I hope that you guys really enjoy this project. It was a lot of fun to work on, and I hope that you guys can go check out Kindred stamps. I will leave all of their links down below in the description bar. They are also providing a $20 gift card for me to give away to one of you guys, so I will be talking about that giveaway here in just a little bit, but I want to talk about this project first. So the stamp set I am using is called Holidays Are a Nightmare, and I think it is so super cute. I love all the little characters in this set. So here I'm using some StazOn ink to stamp out the images. I stamped out a few of the girl because I didn't quite like how badly I stamped her out to begin with, so I tried it again. Here I'm doing a masking technique on the pumpkin, so I just used a sticky note, cut it down and covered up the face, and then peeled off that sticky note before I actually placed the stamp down on the paper so that I got just the outer, I guess, outline of the pumpkin guy. Throughout this coloring process, I will be trying to share anyway most of the colors that I'm using with you guys. So I am using the Tombow dual brush pens to color all of these images, and I think they work perfectly. I just went straight in with the colors. You can also watercolor with these markers. They are water-based, so it does work really well for watercoloring, but I wanted like really rich, vibrant colors, and I didn't want to have to wait for all the colors to dry. So I just want to go right in, color them straight, you know, straight in, and just kind of get it filled in. So yeah, so I'm just coloring in. I am using a twin tone in red for this little girl's hair because I don't know, I couldn't find quite the right shade of the dual brush pens in the bright red that I wanted, but it came in the twin tone, so I decided to use that. You can use the twin tones for coloring. There's a really fine tip that's great for writing, and then the bolder tip is great for coloring. For the little doggy dude, I'm just going in with a really light gray and just adding some shading because I wanted him to be all white. So I didn't want to like color him in fully with the gray. I still wanted there to be white on the image because I will be fussy cutting all of these out, and I will not be cutting them out with a white border. I will be going up right against that stamped edge or whatever, so I wanted to make sure that he was super white. The pumpkins, I'm going in with a few different shades of orange, and then I will color in the eyes and mouth and nose with some black ink. For the monster guy up there in the top left, I am using a couple shades of green, like a lighter green and then a slightly darker one. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a solid layer of the lighter green down and then add some shading with the darker green. And then here in just a moment, you'll see that I kind of do what's called a cross hatching technique. So I just kind of flick the brush tip of the pen down and then across to make kind of like a woven looking effect to the brush strokes. So you guys might want to try that technique. It's really easy, super fun, and I like the texture that it gives to the image. And then here you can see that I've got all my little dudes cut out, and it's time to start working on my pocket letter. So that's what we're creating today, is a fun pocket letter. So I'm using some black cardstock here and just using a pencil to doodle out like a swoopy hill situation, and then I'm going to cut it out with some scissors. Just regular old scissors, regular old pencil. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's all fine. And then I'm going to adhere my swoopy hill on top of this piece of scrapbook paper. So this scrapbook paper is from Die Cuts with a View. It's from one of their recent paper pads from this year, and I'm going to use the Tombow Mono Permanent Adhesive on the back of this cardstock, and then I'm just going to layer it on top of the big piece of scrapbook paper in such a way that it covers up the design that's on there, because I didn't need that haunted house. I wanted the like dark purpley starry sky. So yeah, so it's super easy, and then I'm going to just trim off the excess here and then set it aside for a moment because I wanted to add a big sparkly moon to my pocket letters. So I'm using some gold glitter paper and then just tracing around a small bowl, cutting it out, and then this will become my moon. So I kind of forgotten that I wanted to add a big moon, so I'm just going to gently peel up some of the swoopy hill and then go ahead and put my moon back there. And I'm going to use the Tombow Extreme Adhesive because it's a really great adhesive. It's really heavy duty, and yeah, I love it. It's one of my favorite adhesives ever. So I'm just gonna pop that back there, re-press down the swoopy hill, and then I'm going to grab my paper trimmer one more time, and now I'm going to start cutting out the cards. So I'm working from left to right because I knew that I wanted the moon to be in that exact position. I didn't want to accidentally cut any of it off, so I'm working left to right and cutting down long strips. And I usually cut my pocket letter cards down to 2 5/8 by 3 5/8. I know a lot of people do 2 1/2 by 3 1/2, but I like to cut them just a little bit larger. That way they don't kind of float around in the pocket as much. They're a little bit more snug and they don't kind of slide out accidentally in the mail. So if you're having issues with that, I suggest cutting your cards just a tiny little bit larger than you normally would. So like I said, I typically cut mine 2 5/8 inches by 3 5/8 inches. So you can see that's what I'm doing here. And yeah, and then all of my cards are kind of ready to be adorned with these adorable little stamps, guys, that I colored and cut out and all that. So again, I'm just going to use the Tombow Extreme Adhesive to pop these little dudes down on their little backgrounds, because again, I don't want stuff to move. It's not what I like to happen in the mail. So for these bottom 3, I wanted to add some washi tape on there, but I didn't want to like accidentally have it be crooked going across the 3 cards, so I'm just going to use some of the Tombow removable adhesive on the back of my cards to hold them in place, hold them secure while I apply some of the washi tape and the little like cutout guys on there. Because I didn't want things to shift around and stuff. So it's really easy to just use the removable adhesive. It comes right off the back. When you're done, you just kind of rub it off and it's fine. Again, using more of the Tombow Extreme to pop these little pumpkin guys. Aren't they so cute? I love their little faces. They're so adorable. And this little guy is really fun too. He looks kind of mean though. I don't know. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish putting down the little die cuts that I created using the stamp set, and then actually I'm going to take my X-Acto blade and a ruler and use that to cut apart the cards, because I did use adhesive and washi tape, so they're all kind of attached now and I don't want to mess it up with scissors. So for me it's just easier to use an X-Acto blade on top of a little cutting mat and it's fine. Yeah, and now it's time to kind of finish up this pocket letter. So I'm going to glue the little doggy guy down, and I forgot to color in the little mouth there on that guy, so I'm using the black dual brush pen. And then these bat glitter stickers, you guys, I die for them. I am loving them so much this year. They're from the Dollar Tree. I'm so glad that I bought multiple sheets. Normally I don't do that, but for these I'm so glad I did. And I did also add on some purple gemmies off screen, again, just to kind of tie in the whole color theme and stuff, and I think they add some fun sparkle and shine. And before I forget to tell you guys about the giveaway, here's the deal. So it is a $20 gift card to kindredstamps.com. It is open internationally, but you must be 18 or older to enter. You must be a subscriber to me here at PopFizzPaper on YouTube, as well as a subscriber of Kindred Stamps here on YouTube. I will leave all the links and stuff down below for you guys. But to actually tell me that you entered and did all the things, what I need for you guys to do is leave me a comment down below telling me which stamp set you would choose if you won the $20 gift card, okay? Because I want to know what you guys would pick, because I want to go check it out and see all the fun stuff that you guys are interested in. So leave me that comment down below, and that is all you have to do to enter. The giveaway ends a week from the day this video is posted, and if you are the winner, I will respond to your comment for entry telling you that you've won, okay? So keep an eye out for any responses from me on this video, okay? Because you want to win. I swear. Their stamp sets are so cute over at Kindred Stamps, you guys. You will love them, I promise. So anyway, that is about it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Big thank you to Kindred Stamps for sponsoring this video, providing me this amazing stamp set, and providing you guys the chance to win a $20 gift card. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye! Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you loved it. If you missed yesterday's, you can click up here. If you want to join in all the fun crafty shenanigans happening over in the Crafty Club this month, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe, which I really hope you do, thank you so much in advance, you can click right here, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!